This controller is known as the scheduler. I probably should have spoken first about the controller manager, but this is more interesting to start here. Because let's face it, you probably are thinking, hey man, how do I launch a pod in my Kubernetes cluster? Well, think of the scheduler as really what's doing most of the work for you. So what scheduler is doing is to really have access to a picture of the entire cloud. How many pods are running out there? What kind of resources do we have available? Which particular node has the most capability? Which node has the least capability? And when it comes right down to it, stealing an idea from one of my favorite Kubernetes all-stars would be Kelsey Hightower. I'm going to say that what's happening is scheduler is playing Tetris with your cloud. It's like, here is a pod, and I want to launch this pod, and it looks to me like it would fit perfectly right here, and that means it makes sense to launch on this particular node. That's the role of scheduler. It's really important. And by the way, as the cloud changes, if I delete this pod and reinstall it, don't for 1 second even think that it's necessarily going to wind up on that node. It doesn't have to. It's going to go where scheduler says it should go. Now, scheduler is a controller.
This video is brought to you by Alta3 Research. We offer training solutions both on-site and online so that you can choose the method that works best for you. If you like this video, check out the links in the description box below for more information on our course offerings. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.